students of class 2. Welcome to your social studies class. This is your ma'am S.T. Joshi, and today we will be doing a new lesson. Chapter 5 Food. Chapter 5 Food or Lesson 5 Food. Do you remember the last lesson we did? Yes, the lesson was my school, and today we will start a new lesson, and the lesson is food, and food is very important. What kind of food you eat affects your body. So let us start reading and then I will explain it to you. Every morning before you go to school, our parents insist that you eat food. You look forward to tiffin time in school. Now, when you go to school, when you used to go to school, every morning before you start off for your school, what do your parents ask you to do? What do they insist? In what do you mean by insist? Insist means किसी बात पे जोर देना, force you, okay, encourage you or insist you to have your food, because it is food that gives us strength. Okay, so what do your parents do every morning? Even if you are not going to school, even if you are at your home, then also our parents insist us, your parents insist you to eat your food so that you are strong. You look forward to tiffin time in school, and when you are in school, you look forward for your break time, tiffin time और लंच टाइम. जब आप स्कूल में होते हैं तो आप वेट करते हैं कि कब आपका ब्रेक हो और आप फिर अपना खाना निकालें और खाएं और साथ में अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी शेयर करें. In the afternoon, when you return home, you rush to the dining table to eat food. Okay, what do you do in the afternoon? As soon as you go back from school to your home, you change your clothes, you take your bath, and you rush to the dining table. Where do you rush to? कहाँ आप भागते? To your dining table, the table where you eat your food. Dining table is a table where you eat your food, breakfast, lunch or dinner. Sometimes in some homes people do not sit around the dining table, but they sit on their beds or on the floor, wherever they are comfortable. Okay, but it is good to sit around the dining table and eat your food. And what do? You rush to your dining table and you eat your food. Now, in the evening, you eat snacks. When you get up in the evening after having a short or a 2 hours or 3 hours sleep, you get up, you drink milk, and you also have your snacks. After that, before you go to bed, mother serves you a light meal, and before going to bed or before or after doing your homework or after you play and do other things in the house or outside the house, you have your dinner or your mother serves you a light meal. Usually at night in your dinner you should eat a light meal, not a very heavy meal. Okay, so what is all this all these sentences telling us about? They are telling us the importance of food in our life. In morning we have breakfast, in the afternoon we have we have our lunch, in the evening we have snacks, and before going to bed, a few hours before going to bed, we have our dinner or a light meal. So food is a very important part of our life. If we are not going to have proper food, we will feel very weak or get very weak. We eat food many times during the day. Food gives us energy to work and play. Yes, as I said, that food gives us energy to work and play. If we will not have food, we will not have any energy. It helps us to grow strong and healthy. If we are not going to eat our food, we will not be strong, we will not be healthy, we will be always be sick all the time. Our immune system will also be very weak. We will quickly get sick or diseased because of loss of energy and loss of blood, because whatever we eat turns into ब्लड. जो भी हम खाते हैं वो क्या होता है, उससे हमारे बॉडी में खून बनता है, ब्लड बनता है, और वो उससे हमारा इम्यूनो सिस्टम भी स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है. वी गेट विटामिन्स एंड मिनरल्स एंड प्रोटीन्स एंड मैनी अदर थिंग्स दैट मेक अस स्ट्रॉन्ग. सो इट इज़ वेरी वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट टू ईट food, and it also helps us to grow. If you are not going to eat, you are not going to grow. You will grow weak, but you will not grow healthy. People eat three main meals every day: breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon, and dinner at night. So what are the three main meals? Breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon, and dinner at night. Okay, see, what are we having breakfast for? What are we having for breakfast, and what is the time for breakfast? Here it is showing 8 a.m. Okay, honey flakes, and I think these are idlis or puris, and some sabji, vegetables, jam, butter, bread, and egg, and maybe this is some porridge or cornflakes, something like that. This is for our breakfast. Our breakfast should be good, okay, and heavy, because it will give us strength all through the day. Then let's see about the lunch. What lunch? We should have our lunch around 2 p.m. okay. We should be very careful about our timings also. Okay, now what is there for lunch? These are some chapatis, some something in this bowl, okay, maybe some dal and some rice over here, or dal or sabji, and this is a leg piece and some achar over here. Okay, now let's see the tea time. Tea time is at 5 p.m. okay, some tea, milk, samosa chutney, and some cookies, okay, and some pastries. These are our tea time, snacks time. Is your mouth watering? Yes, I know. Okay, now let's see the dinner time. At dinner we are having here chapatis and some salad, curd, rice, some dal, and some other vegetable. Okay, so can you see, all these are the main meals, especially the breakfast, the lunch, and the dinner. So these are the three main meals, and in between at 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. we have snacks. Now let's turn to the next page, page number 29. Now on page number 29, the heading is sources of food. Sources of food, or it means where do we get food from? Where are we getting food from? What is the source? कहाँ से हमें खाना मिलता है, कहाँ से वो आ रहा है? Let's read. We get food from plants and animals. Where do we get food from? Plants and animals. Food from plants include fruits, vegetables, nuts, grains, and pulses. What do we get from plants? Fruits, vegetables, nuts, grains, and pulses. फल, सब्जियाँ और nuts, okay, and grains, चावल, दाल, and pulses are dal, okay, and grains are like wheat, आटा, चावल, ये सब जो है हमें जो है plants से मिलते हैं. Where do we get it from? Plants. We also get food from animals. Cows and goats give us milk. We use milk to make milk products like cottage cheese. What is cottage cheese? Do you know what is cottage cheese? Cottage cheese is paneer. Cottage cheese को हम पनीर बोलते हैं. Cheese, curd, ice cream, butter, and ghee. We get all this from milk. And where do we get milk from? We get milk from cows and goats. Hens and ducks give us eggs. Do you eat eggs? Yes, they are very healthy. They give us lot of protein. We get eggs from hens and ducks. Goats and hens give us meat. We also eat fish. Now, where do we get the non-veg from? Goats and hens give us meat, and we also eat fish. Fish is also very healthy for our body. Okay, now let's come here. Can you see this? I think this is milk, this is chicken, this is egg, fish, and other eatables, and other, I think this is fish only. Okay, now let's come here. Read this heading: food groups. Food can be divided into different groups. Food such as potatoes, butter, rice, sugar, and wheat are called energy giving foods. What are energy giving foods? Potatoes, butter, rice, sugar, and wheat are called energy giving foods. These give us energy. What do they give? They give us energy. And what are those? Again, I will read it for you: potatoes, butter, rice, sugar, and wheat. Okay, they are rich in carbohydrates and fats. What are they rich in? Carbohydrates and fats. Food such as pulses, eggs, meat, and milk products are called bodybuilding foods. What are bodybuilding foods? Pulses, eggs, meat, and milk products are called bodybuilding foods. They make our bones and muscles strong and help our body to grow. What do? They make our bones and muscles strong. Do you know bodybuilders or people who do lot of exercise and do bodybuilding, they eat lot of these kind of products like pulses, eggs, meat, and milk products. Okay, for building their body, for making their body very bones and muscles very strong. Okay, can you see here? They have made a picture: bodybuilding food. Okay, eggs and chicken and curd and milk and other eatables and other eating stuff like dal. I think this is dal, and maybe some other food, and this is energy giving food: sugar, butter, and corn flour. Okay, these are all energy giving food. What is corn flour? Do you know what is corn flour made of? It is made out of corn. Corn means जो भुट्टा हम खाते हैं ना, वो है ये. Okay, then protective food is this: all kinds of vegetables. Okay, we will read now. We will turn to page number 30. Okay, foods such as fruits and vegetables are called protective foods. They protect us from diseases. Raw fruits and vegetables are nutritious to eat. Children should eat green leafy vegetables such as spinach. Now, what are protective foods? Fruits and vegetables are protective foods. What do you mean by protective? Protective word comes from the word protect, मतलब कि बचाना. ये हमारे इम्यूनो सिस्टम को स्ट्रॉन्ग करते हैं. ओके, जब हमारा इम्यूनो सिस्टम स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है, इम्यून सिस्टम, सो हमारे बॉडी में एक क्षमता होती है. आवर बॉडी कैन फाइट विद द वायरसेस एंड द बैक्टीरियाज एंड द डिजीज़ दैट आर अराउंड अस. सो हम जल्दी बीमार नहीं पड़ेंगे. ओके, हमारे चारों तरफ बीमारी हो सकती है पर वो हमें नहीं बीमार करेगी. वी विल नॉट बी सिक if we eat protective food and if our immune system is strong. Okay, they protect us from diseases. Raw fruits and vegetables are nutritious to eat. We should eat raw means कच्चा. ओके, बहुत ज़्यादा उसको फ्राई और ऐसे करने की ज़रूरत नहीं. जितना ताज़ा हम उसको खा सकते हैं उतना अच्छा है. लाइक फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स लाइक कैरेट. ओके, वी शुड ईट इट रॉ. So and it is very healthy. And even radish is मूली, हमें उसको रॉ खाना चाहिए था क्योंकि वो हमारे लिए हेल्दी होता है. इवन ग्रीन लीफी वेजिटेबल्स, And what are those leafy vegetables? Spinach. Do you know what is spinach? Spinach is पालक. कई बार बहुत से बच्चे vegetables नहीं खाना चाहते. Many children do not want to eat vegetables. They find it very boring. But you should eat vegetables. Okay, your parents make vegetables, but you say no, I don't want to eat this, I want to eat chow mein, I want to eat pizza, I want to eat burger. But burger, chow mein and pizza will not give you strength. Okay, but spinach and fruits and vegetables will give you strength. So you should eat green leafy vegetables like spinach and cabbage and other leafy vegetables. Okay, now we will read about some food habits. Okay, you should follow good and healthy food habits. Here are some good habits. Check, do you follow them? See, here there are some good food habits given. Let's check, let's see and find out if you follow them or not. Okay, drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day, but do not drink water immediately after having food. What you should do? You should drink, we all should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Okay, but do not drink वाटर इमीडिएटली आफ्टर फूड. हमें रोज़ 8 से 6 से 8 ग्लासेस पानी रोज़ पीना चाहिए, लेकिन तुरंत खाना खाने के बाद नहीं. खाना खाने के बाद कम से कम 15 मिनट्स, हाफ एन आवर वी शुड वेट एंड देन ड्रिंक वाटर. The next point is, point number 2 is, drink milk every day. We should drink milk every day. You know this, your parents insist you, don't they, to drink milk. Milk makes our bones and teeth strong. If you will drink milk, you will have strong bones and strong teeth. Number 3, eat fresh food. Never eat fruit that is cut and stored over a long period. And you should eat फ्रेश फूड. ताज़ा खाना खाना चाहिए, पुराना खाना नहीं खाना चाहिए, और ख़ास तौर से बाहर से खाना ज़्यादा नहीं खाना चाहिए. शुड नॉट ईट आउटसाइड फूड टू मच, बट फूड मेड एट होम. देन च्यू योर फूड वेल. यू शुड च्यू योर फूड वेल. आपको अपने खाने को अच्छे से चबाना चाहिए. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय च्यू? च्यू मीन्स चबाना. अच्छे से चबाना चाहिए. ये नहीं कि बस 2-3 बार चबाया और बस अंदर उसको ढकेल लिया, निगल गए. नहीं, नो, यू शुड च्यू इट वेरी नाइसली. What are teeth for? Chewing your food. Okay, they are not only for so that you look beautiful, but the reason that you have your teeth is so that you can chew your food. Do not talk or watch TV while eating food. Okay, while you are eating your breakfast, your lunch or your dinner, you should not watch television. You should concentrate on your food. You should not talk also while eating your food. Okay, because that sometimes the food, while talking, the food goes into our windpipe and it blocks, and it will block our windpipe and we may even have problem in breathing. So you should not laugh, you should not talk too much while eating your food. Never waste food, only take as much as you need. खाने को बर्बाद नहीं करना है. जितना आपको खाना है उतना लीजिए और फिर बाद में थोड़ा और लीजिए. ओके, और जितना मिला है उसको खाइए. यू शुड नॉट वेस्ट फूड. डोंट थ्रो फूड. देर आर many people all around the world who do not even have a single meal. वो एक बार भी खाना नहीं खा पाते, इसलिए खाने को फेंकिए मत. When you are going to some party, some marriage party, we take lots and lots of food. Okay, we make a mountain out of that food. ढेर सारा पहाड़ बना लेते हम खाने का और खाते नहीं हैं, उसको फेंक देते हैं, और जिसको मिलना होता है फिर उसको नहीं मिल पाता. So don't waste your food. Take only how much you need, then take again. दोबारा ले लें. Wash the fruits and vegetables before you eat them raw. When you are eating your vegetables raw or your fruits raw, जब आप कच्चा उसको खा रहे हैं, और फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल एप्पल खा रहे हैं अगर आप उसको, ठीक है, उसको तो ये नहीं कि आप उसको बिना धोए खा लें. वॉश देम. Okay, whatever fruits you are eating, apples and pears and grapes, okay, wash them and then eat them. And even vegetables like carrot and onion, okay, and radish, wash them and eat them, and then cook them. Don't eat or cook your vegetables without washing them. Okay, then the seventh point, do not eat too many sweets and chocolates. We should not eat too many sweets and chocolates. They will harm us. Too much of sweet and too much of chocolate is not good. No need to add lots and lots of sugar in your milk. No need to eat chocolate every day. Sometimes you can eat chocolate once or twice or maybe thrice a week, but not every day. Okay, and don't eat too many sweets. Okay, because it will damage your teeth. Okay, you will have cavities and other bacteria that will damage or destroy your teeth, and then your teeth will pain. Okay, number 8, foods like pizza, burger and noodles are junk food. Eat them less. We love pizza and chow mein and burger, don't you? We all love it, but they are known as junk food. What do you mean by junk? Junk is something which is not good. जंक का मतलब ही ख़राब होता है. जंक का मतलब ही बेकार होता है, बेकार का होता है. इसका मतलब है वो आपको फ़ायदा नहीं करेगा. ऑल दिस इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू मेक यू हेल्दी. दे विल मेक यू फैट, दे विल मेक यू लेज़ी, बट दे विल नॉट मेक यू हेल्दी. ओके, आप मोटे तो बहुत हो सकते हैं उससे, और लेकिन आप उससे हेल्दी नहीं होंगे. ओके, ये सब आपके इम्यून सिस्टम को बढ़ाएगा नहीं, उसको डिक्रीज़ करेगा. ऑलराइट, आई होप चिल्ड्रन यू हैव अंडरस्टूड द लेसन. गॉड ब्लेस यू एंड टेक केयर.